did lose a few matches, but at the end of the day, we still made playoffs, and we still had a good season, and we came in second. So.
What is your mindset for the playoffs?
My mindset is great. I'm really excited because this is the second year in a row that we've made playoffs, and this was a rebuilding year, so we did struggle a little, having lost half our team because they graduated, but it's been a good season so far.
Does being captain ever add pressure to performing on the tennis court?
Yeah, for sure. When I look around during my matches, I always see the other girls playing, and I'm always worried whether they're going to win or not. So then I'm worried about their winning and then my winning at the same time.
As team captain, what do you do to rally your team?
I really just make sure everyone participates and just cheers each other on. It's a big part of like team spirit, so just making sure everyone is boosting each other up and like supporting each other.
Sounds good. That's it.